Want to program a new or existing key fob for your 1998 to 2010 Ford F-150. It's a common task for these trucks, often needed due to battery depletion or replacement fobs. These models use RF technology for remote functions like locking, unlocking. The good news is it's often DIY friendly and cost effective. This video will guide you through the process. Note that while newer app-assisted tools are emerging, the core process is manual. Key fob replacements are widely available on platforms like Amazon or eBay. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and remove the key from the ignition. Insert the key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Do this 8 times for 2001-2003 models or 4 times for 1998-2000 models, all within 10 seconds. Press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this step for any additional key fobs you want to program, up to 4 total. Turn the ignition to the off position and test each key fob to ensure it's working properly. If pairing fails, it may indicate a faulty receiver or fob battery. Some advanced users opt for multimeters to check signal strength.